I wanted to tell someone this because I thought it was funny. Maybe it's not funny to people. Okay. I've been interested in like airplane videos lately.
Okay. Well, you mentioned
and
this.
Yeah, but there's like also airplanes, like about airplane disasters and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So like there's videos that like analyze exactly what happened and how it happened and all that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So I downloaded like a bunch on YouTube to watch during my flight.
During your flight? What airplane crash videos during your flight?
Dude, wait, isn't that has to be like a bad luck charm or something?
And I didn't think about people next to me.
The people next to you.
And I was watching it in the airport.
Oh no. Moomskate! Oh, Moomskate. Oh, Moomskate.